Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good. So it's been really long time since I reviewed any products on my channel, so I thought like why not do a review, because I have got two such products for which I guess like review has to be done. And you will not believe, like, nobody has reviewed these products yet in YouTube. So this is the first video and first time ever in YouTube I have come up with a review of two products which you will find only in Amazon. It's Amazon brand and it's exclusively available only in Amazon. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Guys, I was talking about these two products, and yeah, this is 1 liter bottle and this is half liter bottle. So basically this is a baby laundry detergent liquid, and this is liquid cleanser. So these two are Amazon brand, but they are from Mama Bear. So Mama Bear is a brand which sells all kind of baby related products, let it be diapers or lotions or body wash or wipes and these kind of baby related products. So when I first saw this in Amazon, I thought that it's Mama Earth products because it looks similar to Mama Earth, isn't it? If you guys have noticed, Mama Earth also has similar kind of packaging. Even for baby laundry detergent, it's a similar package, and even for the cleanser, it's similar package. Only difference is color. Here it's blue and Mama Earth is green. All the products of Mama Earth is white and green. Here they have given different colors. For few seconds I really thought it's Mama Earth products, but then I realized like no, it's not Mama Earth, it's Mama Bear. So this brand has come up with this laundry detergent and cleanser some couple of months back. I think they launched this in June, and it has not reached out to many people. I was also not aware of these products, but I came to know when a sale was going on in Amazon last week, and this showed me in trending deals, and I was quite shocked to know about the price. So first I'll tell you what was the price of this product, what is the MRP, and for how much I got, and how much it is now. So as you can see, the price of this 1 liter detergent is 599 rupees. Can you believe if I tell you that I got this only for 200? Yes, from 600 I got it only for 200 in trending deal. So I thought like 1 liter bottle for 200 rupees is really cheap and I should give it a try. Only because of that reason I got this laundry detergent. And this product, this liquid cleanser, MRP is 349 rupees for 500 ml, but in offer I got this only for 100 rupees, only for 99 rupees. Can just believe I can use this for more than 3 months. Yeah, it will come up to 3 months for me. I think in many cases it will come for more than 3 months also, and only 100 rupees. This for 200 and this for 100, so totally for 300 I got these two products, and it was a very, very good deal. So both the products have plant-based ingredients in it. One has neem extract and the other one has orange extract, and also the dosage instruction is clearly given in both the products. Now let's quickly check out the demo of both the products. So I'm taking my baby's washcloth, and as you can see there is no stain on this cloth, it's completely dry. So for demo purpose I'm going to pour some tomato ketchup, and let's see if this works and if stain gets removed. So I'm quickly taking few drops of the detergent and I'm going to rub the detergent on the cloth, and after washing it I'm going to rinse it off in running water. As you can see there is too much of lather, which means it's soapy. And after rinsing it, let's see if there is any stain on the cloth. No, there is no stain, it's completely gone. There is no ketchup stain, and it's like how it was before. just so fresh. And yeah, what is this? Okay, this is nothing, something else. Okay, so yeah, this looks really good, you know, it has cleaned everything. So yeah, which means it's a good detergent, right? So I'm taking my baby stacking cup for the demo purpose. I'm not using any feeding bottles for the demo because I've already done a video on how to clean the feeding bottles. Please do go and check that video out. Link will be there in description box. So for this demo, I'm taking a stacking cup just to show you know, whether it cleans using this cleanser or not. As you can see, there is a dirt inside and also outside. I'm very much impressed with the smell of this cleanser. It has a fruity smell, a kind of tangy orange smell. It's a mild orange flavor, so I really like orange peel extract. So I'm just you know, amazed with the you know, with the smell of this cleanser.
Now I'm going to take a few drops of this liquid cleanser. I'm going to wash my baby's stacking cup using this liquid cleanser. I'm not using any scrubber here. I'm just using my fingers to wash the stacking cups, and after washing I'm going to rinse it in fresh running water. And now as you can see, there is no dust or stain. It's completely clean. I really love this product. It has a very good fragrance.
Okay, so after watching the demo, you would have got an idea how to use the cleanser and how to use the laundry detergent. And also the demo is just to let the audience, let the people know whether to go for the product or not. That was the main reason for demo. I really hope that you got an idea whether it's worth the buy or not. Now I'm going to share my personal experience with you, and also I'll tell you like what all I liked and what all I did not like in these two products. So first, talking about this liquid cleanser, I really like this product because of its fragrance. It has a tangy orange kind of fragrance, but it is really mild. I'm a fan of orange extract, so yeah, I like this. And when compared to my previous cleanser, which is this Pigeon liquid cleanser, I feel like, you know, this is budget friendly and a money saver pack, because this 200 ml bottle is 189, and in offer you'll get it for, you know, 130 at least. But this one 500 ml is 349, and I just got this for 99 in trending deal. And also if you get this in a discount of somewhere around 150 to 200, then I think you can go for this because it's worthy. You get this much bottle, right? You can very well use it for some 2 to 3 months. Based on your usage, it will differ. For me, I think I can use this for 2.5 to 3 months. And I like the packaging, but I did not like this cap. See, what happens is when you try to clean your baby's bottles, like baby's feeding bottles, then this kind of packaging helps. This has this nozzle, and when you open the lid, you know, there is a small hole here, and you can easily pour the liquid into the bottle, and only, you know, drops will fall, right? So it is easy to squeeze. Sorry. So it's easy to squeeze and you know, wash your baby's feeding bottles. But here it's difficult because you have to pour the liquid into this cap and then put it inside the feeding bottle. So yeah, it's not that it's not that comfortable, but I like the product. The very disadvantage is the nozzle, because as I told you, you cannot it is difficult to wash the bottles. Apart from that, for washing toys, for washing vegetables, it's handy and it's nice. So I really like this product. So you can go ahead and get this one. I think you'll not regret it. Must try product. Okay, now talking about this laundry detergent, I will say that based on the usage, this is a kind of okay product, because this product I have been using from past 4 days, similar to the cleanser. I have been using this, but from past 4 days I have washed my baby's clothes twice. So twice I have used this product, and yeah, as I showed you in the demo, it removes stains. So you know, fruit stain I have tried, like it removed stain. So stain problem I did not have, so it worked well on stains. So this is okay for me. If you go and check this product in Amazon link, you will be able to find some customer review saying that after wash it made their baby's clothes rough, and many of them did not like it. I understand the reason why they regret buying this product, but I'll tell you, like, I did not face that issue. My baby's clothes did not get harsh. I prefer machine wash, not hand wash. So maybe the customers who use this product, maybe they tried hand wash, hand washing method. But for machine wash, I did not face any problem. And also one of the customer, they had mentioned, like, they were not able to remove the soap after rinsing. The soap was still there on the cloth. That also I did not face. I don't know why. Maybe because of machine wash. I really don't know, but I did not face that problem. It has excess amount of soap, that I agree. As I already showed you in demo, the lather was like huge. Maybe that's the reason why they felt like soap was still on the cloth. But it has to be rinsed properly, which only a machine can do. Only a machine can rinse the cloth properly, right? So I did not face that problem. Maybe because of hand wash, they would have faced that problem. So yeah, I think if you are someone who uses machine to wash your baby's clothes, then you can go ahead for this. And the only concern which I have is price. 1 liter bottle is 600, almost similar to Mamaearth's range. The reason why I got this is it was in a huge discount. I got this only for 199, 200 rupees. 1 liter, very much cheap, very much worthy. If in case you get in same amount, I'll definitely tell you to try, because it's something very, very cheap, okay? And if in case you get this in discount somewhere around 300, up to 300 you can get this product. Otherwise go for Mamaearth, because Mamaearth also has a good discount, and you'll get Mamaearth product in similar range, right? 300 or 350 after discount. So does not make a difference. Don't buy this product if it's more than Mamaearth. If it's less than Mamaearth, then you go ahead with this. If it's more than Mamaearth, please stick on with Mamaearth, because Mamaearth I really liked. Okay, I really liked the detergent. It was very, very mild. This also I liked. Functioning, everything is normal, guys. But I think price is something which matters. And as I told you, I love the instruction part, packaging, smell, everything I loved. Only problem with this is that lather which forms. So it's kind of too much soapy. Maybe because of that, many people will face problems. Maybe people will feel that baby's clothes are not rinsed properly, so some kind of problem will be there because of the lather which occurs. So Mamaearth does not have that much lather. It has very mild fragrance and lather. So yeah, go ahead with Mamaearth if it's costly. If it's cheap, if you get this in 200, then definitely buy and try. And if in case you are someone who washes in machine, then yes, definitely a must try product. So this is my review for both the products. And yeah, packaging is good, same thing like Mamaearth, so I'm okay with it. So guys, I really hope that you found this video helpful. To kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned by clicking on to the bell icon. Only then you will not miss any such informative videos, and let's grow together as a family. Thank you so much for all your support. See you in another video soon. Allah Hafiz.